to Brenna's Bargains. Alright, I am so excited for this video. Don't forget, we have the penny list coming up September 6th. Alright, the reason why I'm so excited for this video is this is the markdowns that we've been waiting for. We have, according to here, we have 8 markdowns, but I actually think we might have even more. We might have up to 12 markdowns. Also, your miles may vary from store to store, so some stores might have 50% markdowns and some stores might have 25%. Okay, first up we have seasonal July or patriotic items. I think this is going to include more than we think, but I could be wrong, so I don't quote me on it. But I think it might include the little snap pops, the little poppers. It will include all the little 4th of July items. Anything with 4th of July light up or pops or the little plates or magnets. There's so many little things on there. I have most of the visuals, but I do not have them all. So just make sure you scan on September 6th. So I'm really excited about this video because I have a dot series where I have several visuals for you all. I have a yellow dot video, I have a green dot video, I have a lawn and garden video, I have a red dot video, I have the summer pink square video. I have so many little videos for you all that if you want to see several visuals, I have that. You can look them up and get familiar with everything that you need to get familiar with so you can get prepared for all these future markdowns. So like I said, your miles may vary. Some stores might have it, some stores may not, but I'm pretty sure, and here's some surprises to look out for. So anything kind of like patriotic, 4th of July, scan it. You never know. If not, add it to your list and you might be for future markdowns. This is another item I think is going to go. All the patriotic shirts and on a display. So we're going to the next thing on the list. So next thing on the list is lawn and garden. It should range from 25 to 50% off. Okay, this is an old ad picture showing that all the items are going to go. Okay, this is all the lawn and garden items that are going. Also, some things will be excluded, but I have seen some stores that have included it. So just your miles may vary on each store. So just remember, lawn and garden has lots of goodies in it, and like chairs and outdoor and tools. So there's lots of goodies in lawn and garden, and there's lots of decor. And here's a video if you want to see more items in lawn and garden. So next up is pop eyes, but I would scan everything that's left over that didn't go with the summer barbecue, because you never know, it might be an extra 25% off. So next up is seasonal merchandise, but I honestly think it's going to be the green dot and the red dot. So first up, I want to show you some green dot visuals. Lots of cups, lots of bowls, lots of dining and mittens. Also, don't forget about the signage. And I do have a green dot video. I have 2 of them with practically 300 visuals. So you will not miss any green dot visuals. Don't forget the little decor, signage, and rugs and all that. Tons of signage, tons of markdowns. So next up, we'll have the red dot. Okay, red dot has lots of pillows, baskets, blankets. It even has some towels and mats. So make sure you check out red dot. Okay, next up is pink square, which is the swim in summer. So pink square has a lot of floaties, bubbles, water toys, outdoor toys, water guns, Batman sets, just lots of goodies for outdoors and outside. Next up, we have the toddler swim pants. So it's usually in a display box that looks like this. Okay, and here's the UPC. So the next markdown we have is yellow dot, which is a lot of little accessories. So yellow dot is super girly, super cute, lots of Bretts and little clips and pins and things like that, and notebooks. So check it out. Here's some examples. Also, the hats are in yellow dot. There's also blue dot in hats too. Okay, next up on the list is green star. So mostly what I think the green star is the Father's Day, Mother's Day shirts. I think those are the ones that are gonna go, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that the socks will go too. I'll have the green star socks towards the end of the video, and hopefully we'll see if those go on Tuesday, September 6th. Okay, I have a bonus featurette that I think is gonna go. I'm not positive, but I really think it will go with the yellow dot, and that is the blue dot, because right now it says buy one, get the second one half off, which is 25% off. So I'm thinking that the blue dot is going to go with the yellow dot. So we're going to have to keep our eye on the blue dot, but make sure it is the old blue dot and not the new blue dot. So scan, scan, scan. Okay, I have another 2 items that are not on the list, but I'm thinking it might go, which is summer skincare or basically the sun tanning lotion. Okay, also here's the markdowns of the Glade and the lilac spray, and also the candles. And then also be on the lookout for the cereal, because the 4th of July cereal is going down slowly too. Okay, here are the markdowns for those candles and the spray. And here is some green star socks for $1. I think these are lady socks, and they also have men's socks and a couple kids socks. So we're gonna scan on Tuesday, and we're gonna find out if these are included with the markdowns. So I will keep you posted. And that is the end of this video. I am finally excited. We are going to have several markdowns, and I do think it's going to even include more food items too. So we'll just have to keep our eyes out on anything that might be from back in the summer, and just keep our eye on any items that are spring and summer items, even on food. And we'll see if there's markdowns on those too. So if this video has helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a good day. God bless. I love you. Bye.